hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Garland, Irving,
Too much.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
It is literally right inside Dallas, and that little hail core right in there, just now, north of I-30, coming right toward the...
Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, northeastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Garland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, McKinney, Richardson, Allen, Rowlett, Wiley, Satch C, Murphy, Fairview, Lucas, Parker, St. Paul, Buckingham, and Lake Ray Hubbard. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 61 and 64. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.